We hired KENORAH to renovate our home and create this beautiful space for us. We talked about, if we want to move into this space, let's make it ours. So we decided that we would invest in a big renovation. I think one of the things that really drew us to KENORAH was that we liked that it was the design process and construction was all together. Everything was done on the front end. So we spent time with Leslie going through design process, and we were picking all of our hardware in advance, and then we would sign off on all of those plans. And then once we got into construction, there wasn't the day-to-day decisions. It felt like it made the process go a lot faster and more smoother.
Jake was able to come over soon after we contacted him, but when he came over, he was knowledgeable and friendly and understanding, knew sort of where we were positioned and what we were looking for.
And we had big ideas back then. We wanted to do the whole entire house. So he said, we want to work within your budget, like what are the top priorities? I like the idea that it was realistic. It was really transparent, the whole process.
We had a fixed cost and fixed budget, and we were never worried about them going over. And Jake and Rob and Mike gave us a lot of confidence that they knew what they were doing and could confidently walk us through the process.
I was one of those people who thought, I know how to design my home. I don't need a designer. I do need a designer. As much as I know my own aesthetic, I know what I like, it was very helpful to have someone who creates cohesion and brings the whole thing together. Our designer was Leslie, and she was amazing. Like, she was really quick to pick up on my style and my aesthetic, and everything that she showed us was in line with that. And she sort of narrowed out a lot of the chaos as well. Because she had such a great understanding of my style and aesthetic, she would bring me options that was like, oh my gosh, these are the 3 best options that I could have had without having to look at hundreds and hundreds of different tiles. Having people who really understand your vision, and I think that they got it. They really understood who we were and what we were trying to create in this space. I think the thing with construction, when you're living through it, we lived in the basement, is that they're coming into your home, into your environment, and they're creating this beautiful space for us, but they become part of the family. They would always, be polite and respectful of us, and they cleaned up every day. They left the place immaculate for a construction zone. The quality of the work is the most important thing for me. I'm very detail oriented, but the end result is like, it was above my expectations. And I think a lot of that was because we had a great designer, a great construction lead, and they got us, to this place where our vision really truly came to life.
100% we would recommend KENORAH to anyone else.
Highly recommend, 5 stars.
Yeah.